Hi everyone, this is Jonelle, and I am going to demonstrate how to make Alfredo sauce. You can make chicken Alfredo or just Alfredo with some plain noodles, but it's my favorite recipe, so here we go. First thing you're going to want to do is wash your hands, which I already did. I just didn't want to waste time in the video. The recipe is 2 cups of heavy whipping cream, 1 cup of butter, 2 tablespoons of minced garlic, which I buy the already minced garlic, half a cup of Parmesan cheese. You can add more if you really like the taste of Parmesan. And then you're going to do a pinch of garlic salt, a pinch of parsley, and a pinch of pepper. So I'm going to start with my heat on low, and actually it's going to be on low this whole time. And we're going to start with half a cup of butter. You can push it down into the cup. So you're going to melt the butter. I find it really hard to find a good Alfredo sauce in any restaurant, including Olive Garden. I think that their Alfredo is probably one of the best, but I can't find it anywhere else. Once the butter's melted, we're going to add in our garlic. So we're basically making a garlic butter to start off with. Two tablespoons of butter. As you can see, the butter's melting. I like to kind of separate it from the big chunks because it melts quicker. I am going to add in, that won't fit in the thing. So there's the minced garlic. Just stir it up a little bit. Next, we're going to add in our heavy cream, which is 2 cups. 1, 2, our half a cup of cheese, And we really like Parmesan cheese in our household, so I might add a little bit more. Just depending on the day, what you're feeling, how much cheese you add. But you need at least half a cup. And then you stir, keeping the heat on low because you don't want your heavy cream to curdle. And now you're just going to wait until everything melts and combines together. You can use shredded Parmesan cheese if you prefer that better than the grated Parmesan, but it doesn't melt as well as the grated Parmesan. My heat is still on low. Always keep your heat on low while making this. There's a few more chunks of the Parmesan, so I'm trying to get that all broke up and melted. Okay. Now we're going to add our parsley. Really, the parsley's just for looks. You can't really taste it, but I like to add it in. So there's our pinch of parsley. Stir that up a little bit. The more you stir, the less likely it is to boil or even have any of those bubbles to have a chance to make the heavy cream curdle. And now I'm going to add my pinch of garlic salt and some pepper. And this pepper shaker doesn't work very well, so it's going to look like I'm using a lot, but I'm really not. Stir all that up. And there's my Alfredo sauce. Thank you guys for watching.